Good morning. This is the Sitivien knife. I probably completely slaughtered that pronunciation. Here's the knife. I'll show you the unboxing for a moment. But it's a very thin knife. About a quarter of an inch right here, so not the thickest of knives. Even one of my least favorite knives has a thicker blade than it, but it's also thicker here. This is a bigger portfolio of a knife. This has a much smaller, thinner portfolio. The reason why I bought this knife was to have it more as a dress knife, something that I would have while working in an office, just sitting in my pocket. So the slender size is perfect. Another thing is the drop-in clip right here, so that it just drops into your pocket. That's all you see of it. Completely disappears pretty much, besides the clip, which is again perfect. It also has this little clip right here, which I love, and it allows me to flip it open and open it very easily. So those were some of my bigger reasons for buying the knife, along with the steel. This has 14C28N steel, which is a steel I haven't had much experience with, but we're going to test it today. So first test, super simple. We're going to go ahead, just slice some paper. So the point's fairly sharp, I'll tell you that from just playing around with the knife already. The edge, very sharp as well. This knife came very, very sharp out of the box, which is, whoop. Exactly what I wanted to see. And I have used it a few times already for random miscellaneous tasks. We will continue on to see how many pages it can cut through. So this is, I think, 16 sheets about. So that's 8 pages right, no, excuse me. 8. This is, no. So we got through 4 here. And then here we got through another, we fully cut another 2, so that's 6 in total so far. 6. And I believe we stop on the 6th. Yep, you can pop apart the 7th, but you get the gist. This is cardstock. This is like note card sorts of paper, so it's not as easy to cut through. So take that into account. It's fairly sharp. Now cutting it without the edge, just blade. How many pages does it get through? I have a feeling it's going to be less, but we will see. Cutting it as such, we get through. We get through a grand total of 1 full page. Then again, I was cutting like this, not how it's designed to go like this. It has a very sharp point, so it is more designed to do this sort of motion than this sort of motion. It's supposed to go whoop, then whoop. Little thing about the knife, but we will continue and test it on some 550 cord. It's a very nice knife. I'll show you that again. I'm very pleased with this knife. I will do a second review at the end of the summer after my regular, what I do during the summer sort of abuse to the knife.